Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is an SEO analysis of the website faroosh.co. So the SEO score is 54 out of 100, which is not bad. When it comes to Google snippet, I'd recommend adding a little bit more details to the meta title apart from the brand name. So tell a little bit more about your store in few words. What does it represent? What kind of products you're selling? What kind of items people can find? As long as you keep it within 60 characters, it's like a short introduction to your store, like a short tagline that can help you stand out in the search results. Okay, so fashion products one-stop shop. It is good. Obviously, it is defined, but think about how you can differentiate yourself a little bit further to help Google to show you in the most relevant search results, because this meta description is very general, is very vague. So think about either narrowing your niche or either specifying your meta description a little bit further to give it more details. Your heading structure looks fine. I would also recommend making sure that you've got H1 tag, which is important for SEO. Also add more tags such as H3, H4, H5, and so on. The content analysis could be better. You should rank for items such as shoes, jewelry, pants, accessories instead of soon and coming, which would be much better for your SEO. Okay, this tool is not working. The broken links, you seem to have few broken links, only 11. But I don't think these are actually affecting your user experience. These are just fonts that are not loading, so that should be fine. Your website speed. Okay, so your website speed loads within 1.4 seconds, so that's perfectly fine. There are a few elements that need improvement, but I don't think they actually affect your website speed from the practical point of view at this stage. And your website is mobile friendly, so that's perfectly fine. So this was an SEO analysis. However, if you'd like to review your full website, such as design, conversion rate, the conversion potential, and navigation, I also offer full website critique, which you can order. The details are in the email. And if you found these tips useful, if you found them valuable, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile, and the link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.